guys, Backcountry Ashley here. This is not the type of content that I normally post, but I want to start a little mini-series playlist on autism because my daughter has autism, and I want to just essentially share some of the tools that helped us over the years. Anyone who has an autistic child knows that each year brings different struggles. Of course, all autistic kids are different. But I'm just going to share things that helped me, things that worked for us, stuff that helped my daughter be able to communicate better, which led to less meltdowns. We've had a lot of struggles over the years. When she was 2 to 3, well, I would say started at 2, really. The communication just kind of stopped. She was developing totally within milestones, and then all of a sudden she just kind of regressed. Then we got her diagnosed, which was great. There's a lot of benefits to being diagnosed. I will do a different video on that, but today I just want to talk about the main thing, which was our struggle when she was 2 with communication. The reason why autistic kids melt down so bad is because they can't communicate, some of them, or at least that was the case with my daughter. One thing that really helped us was making this book. This is just a regular small little binder, and it has all these different clips of things in it. As you can see, it has places that we might go to on a regular basis, like here's Costco. It literally has a picture of Costco. But there's also things like toys or the mail. So this is for adults only. This is to show your child what we're doing in the day so that they can prepare for it, because you know, autistic kids, and if they don't have a structure, then they're kind of all over the place in their brain. So the visual is so important, because you can tell them we're gonna have lunch, or what do you want for lunch, or you can put food in front of their face, but they might have a meltdown for some reason because it's not registering or processing the way that it should. So it was very helpful, especially for getting ready in the morning for preschool. So what I could do in the morning is, say there's a sequence of events that I want her to do. So let me find them here. We're gonna brush our teeth in the morning, okay, and then we're going to change our clothes. Let me see. Sorry, we're gonna get dressed. We're going to go in the car, and then we're going to go to school. Okay, so that's what I want her to do. That's what I want her to understand and accept. So brush teeth, we're going to get dressed, we're going to go to the car, and then we're going to go to school. And this just helps her process it all. So we're going to brush our teeth now. We go to the bathroom, we brush our teeth, and then we're all done. Awesome. And then we put it into this little cubby here. All done. And she likes to check off the steps. This saved us so many meltdowns, I'm telling you, especially when it comes to bedtime. It's great. And she's 10 years old now. We don't use it as often now because we can communicate better, and she understands the steps and accepts them. But even still, she likes to play with it sometimes because she loves pictures, and she likes to kind of use it sometimes on her own. So it's great. But for especially age 3 and 4, like, things were so awful at times, and this really helped. So get a laminator, get a printer, and get one of these little books. This is all just like Velcro. And yeah, I actually had a speech therapist make this for me. But another thing that really helps too is you can customize your own pictures. Like, you can have a literal picture of me, a literal picture of Dad, a literal picture of the daycare lady. You can customize it so much, and I cannot recommend enough visual schedules for autistic kids. All right, so that's video number one. Tip number one. I've had so many people ask me, like, what do you do? Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. And this is just what I've learned about autism. Visuals are so important. Even when she was a baby, like when she was a year old, you know, like, so do you want more? Do you want more? Like, you have to show them. Do you want more? Do you want the apple or do you want the banana? You give them choices and then they can choose because they can see that they have a choice. You can't use too many words. You have to use a lot of visuals. So that's my tip.